Okay.
The person who is inside need a chicken biryani. I'll go and get it now. Is it possible to get food for the prisoners inside the jail? It is against the law, right? If you give bribe, anything will happen.
Hello? Where are you? Hello? Hello, stop horning, man. Very irritating.
It's my business, baby.
Go that side and horn. Who going to ask you?
Okay.
Idiot. Don't have any common sense. Why the phone was switched off from morning?
I was in the train. That's what I switched.
I thought at least night you'll return. I'm at boat place.
I'm already there only.
Come soon.
She won't allow me to do the business.
Here you go, brother.
Hey, Edison.
What, brother? What is inside the gunny bag?
Hold it first. Answer this question. Why did you come there on Sunday?
I'm just returning to our place, father.
Okay. You see, I have already spoken to Sapna about the damaged tape recorder and radio of yours. She also said she will pay for those.
Tape recorder? Which tape recorder?
Have you lost your mind? The tape recorder she came to your house and broke. And all the other wares and iron box and all those things.
Oh, that one.
At first she told me that she didn't do anything, nothing of that should happen and all those lies, you know. But I caught her. Oh, I don't know where my pocket is. Do you have some change?
I have, father.
2 ice creams.
I don't want, father.
Not for you.
Take it, father.
Yeah. Don't look at him, Dee. I'm telling you, no.
I have seen it.
Don't look at him.
What,
Oh,
father?
I forgot to take something. I think I left it at the shop.
Oh my god. Boat will arrive now. If we leave this, then it will be a problem. Father, we'll get it later, okay?
But don't ask anything about this to Swapna, huh?
That matter?
That matter, yes. Don't talk about timepiece radio and all that. Forget the tape recorder now. And do not mind about anything you see there, okay? Little forward. Go forward. Don't lean.
What is this, father?
No, go that way. Edison, I will take him along with me to the church. I have something to do there. I'll send him back quickly, eh?
Okay, father.
Come. Are you staying next to Edison's house?
Yes, father.
How long has it been?
So many days.
You have come here just before a month.
Yes, father.
But do you know each other before?
Yeah.
Where?
Father, I couldn't understand what and whom you are talking.
Should I talk to you everything in detail? I saw it. You are fiddling with your foot, you bloody fool. Now tell me the truth. If not, I know what I'll do. Does Edison know about this?
No. Please don't tell these things to Mr. Edison and Swapna, father. I am begging you, father, please.
Will you marry her?
Definitely, father.
Hey, Edison, I have brought someone with me for feast. This is my son-in-law. His name is Gopi.
Hello.
You know, one of my daughters in Tiruchi, no? This is her husband. He was working in Dubai. Only yesterday he had come.
Is it hot in Dubai? What I
Hey.
say? Yeah, it's right. Always it's hot.
Edison, this was brought by Gopi just for you. Hey, Muruga, bring me some side dish. Come
Yes,
quick.
coming.
How long you have the holidays?
2 months. Okay, we will meet again. I just came here to
Okay.
meet you.
Gopi, be careful on the path. Lot of reptiles around here.
Okay.
His name is in the list. Either 10 or 12. He'll be released quickly.
How about him? No problem, right?
Right now, there is no problem. He is better than before.
Hey, idiot. Very recently, last week only I bought this powder, na? You finished it so earlier.
We didn't open that. This is the old one, sister.
Then why you didn't use that one?
But you never use the powder, right?
What, darling? I should not use this powder or what? For fragrance only I'm using this powder.
You need the fragrance, then you should use this.
How did you got this?
This one? A person bought it for you only. Whenever your saree strings, you should use this.
Why you brought me here?
We'll get a room here, we'll eat, and then we'll leave. Hey, come on.
You behaving like a college student. If anyone notices us, that's it.
Why are you afraid? You're coming with me, right?
Yes. You talking as if like you got married to me. I'm not least bothered about the people who talk behind me. I don't have any problem. You don't worry.
Whenever I come to this place, I'll come here. I'll take a room.
Oh, is it so? I thought you're a very good person, but you're not like that. What is this? What do you think about you? That day you told me very rarely you'll drink. But what is this? Started morning itself.
This is morning only, but a black morning. Oh my god, this girl doesn't do anything.
Hey, what are you doing? Foul.
No foul. I can't able to see you properly in our place. Cattle, chicken, tea shop.
Enough. If we cross our limit, then I cannot face anyone. I promised my mom when she was at the last stage of her life. I promised her saying, I'll take care of my sisters and myself and lead a very disciplined life. I'll come. Definitely I'll come wherever you call me. For that I won't force you to tie a knot. I completely belong to you. You waited for a long time, no? Everything going to come to an end. Try to finish it early and have a nice sleep.
Sir, time is 9 p.m.
Can I get a boat?
Where you want to go, sir?
Padiramanal.
Oh my god, last boat also went, sir. Tomorrow only.
Can I get a private boat here?
Then you have to go there, sir.
Could you get the last boat?
No, I went for a cinema. I slept.
If you miss the last boat, you always have a special trip. No, don't go close. That's a liquor bar. Always trouble. They don't even close at night, sir.
No, it's okay. Just go there. It might be my buddy, I think so.
Oh, okay, sir.
Misaki.
I'm Edison.
Oh, I see. Where do you live?
From here towards north. I said it might be a disturbance for you, sir. No. This guy. I know him for a long time. Just to meet him only. I came to this place. Just for him only. I was waiting for a long time.
Bro, come fast.
What?
Swapna sent me and asked me to tell that her father was released from the jail yesterday night
What for that?
and asked you to be careful from today.
Is he a big shot, huh?
Yeah, he brutally murdered his colleague police officer and went to jail for 6 years.
Okay, you go.
Listen to me.
What, Dad? Tell me the matter.
You leave with your husband to Coimbatore. Don't stay here.
What happened, Dad? Tell me the matter. He fought with his sisters and came to this place. I don't think so he go back.
Isaki has come out of jail, is what the townsfolk say.
God.
Hello?
Sister?
Tell me. Did he got up?
No.
Don't you have school today?
No.
Don't go in front of him, okay?
Yeah, okay, sister.
Okay, while you're coming. Hello? Hello?
I heard you talking with someone.
Yeah, that.
So you're talking with her. Come on, daddy's little child. How are you, my darling? I heard that you were back, so I thought I'll just see you. How many kids do you have now? Why, cat got your tongue or what? I wonder what you have that will go away if you speak, huh? You know something? You're still good enough to eat.
Hiseki brother, please don't spoil my life.
Where will I go if you're not there anymore? I heard that you were back and came. Just that, that's all. Even if you forget me, I will never forget you. Goodbye then. Who are you, boy? Seems to be new here. Her husband or what?
Who?
I'm a native of this place. I just came to see her.
Who's that man?
What? He is Swapna's father. He came to visit my dad.
Where does he come from? This Dubai fellow.
He is from Coimbatore. He has met her in Dubai. He was working in Dubai only, no?
I see.
What do you want, sir?
Get me 2 bottles. What's your name?
Parni, sir.
Parni. Pick and choose whatever you like best from here. Okay? First booze, and then the munchies. Good.
The story is a love story. Hey, if you want to marry me, Papa, come to Mango Tree. My Papa will be waiting with a double barrel
My
gun.
physique is gone.
If you want to marry me, Papa, come to Mango Tree.
How do I get it back?
When the last time we came out of jail, we celebrated with mutton, chicken and all those things. Now,
What a
this time we should
bloody
not
fool.
buy anything. We should rob it from somebody's house. Nowadays, you know, the country stuff has become very, very expensive.
No problem about that. I'll start work tomorrow itself. Where the bloody hell did you come from? Keep your voice down.
That is your father and you.
Midnight in the moonlight. Meet me
Hey,
now.
what did you say? I am Misaki.
I'm Edison. Yesterday we met in the boat, right?
Oh, yeah. It just didn't come to my mind.
Just for you only, I'm waiting here. Oh, yesterday when I met you, you said this is your place. So that's what I just thought to meet you in the daytime.
Oh. Do you have any money on you? I need a couple of thousands. I'll return it next week. Before the rain season starts, I need to prepare a paste. You know, all those doors in jail, my physique is gone. Do you have or no? Give me an answer.
No. For God's sake, I only know the difficulties and struggle to run a tea stall.
Alright, just say that you don't have money. Why talk unnecessarily? Darling, I need some more gravy, please.
Leave it.
Hey.
It's my winning hand today. Come on, come on.
This time you won. Let's see next time.
My game is out.
Okay, bro.
What, Chalapa? You're acting as if
leave
this
my
is the first
family
time.
alone.
Listen, I won't do it after this, okay? This is the last time. Just tell me how much you want. Just go to Parani's shop, get a bottle of Arak. Let us share
Please
it.
leave us all alone. My daughter, she is leading a very good life now, please. I was a support for you in many matters.
Your father-in-law and me and old friends. Just came to the vicinity. I thought I'll see him and say hi. Okay.
Don't act too smart. I want to know the truth. So often I am seeing you here.
Take your hand off. I told you. Your father-in-law and I are old friends.
Then you should have come through the front door. Why you came to back door?
Telling you.
Gopi.
Know this. Your beautiful wife belongs to me actually. I tasted her when she was in 8th standard. And for that, she and her father has taken a lot of money from me. Do you understand now? Check with your wife if you have any doubts. I was the one who bedded her first.
Listen to me. Don't search like this. You will not get it. Search carefully, no?
You old lady, instead of talking, you can also come and join us, no?
What is your problem? I cannot see anything. You don't know that? That chain is very thin, right? I can't see that. Hey, Salome. Did you kept it in the bathroom or what? No, Grandma. I never removed and kept it anywhere.
So, morning only you noticed this, huh?
Yes, now only I noticed it. It was on my neck only.
You girl. Mummy, she faced so much of struggle to get that chain. You cannot understand the pain.
Can't you understand? None of the thief will come and stole that chain from here. You search it well, no? It will be there only.
Don't utter a word. I don't want to shout at you. Where is the chain? To whom you sold?
Chain? What chain? Are you mad or what?
It is the only thing which I have in remembrance of my mom. I want that.
I don't know anything about a chain. I told you I didn't take
I
it.
know. You only stole it. I want that chain back. Let me know to whom you sold that chain.
Hey!
Oh, Daddy, don't beat her. I want that chain back. Please, where is my chain?
Yeah.
Please. Oh, Daddy.
Hello there.
Daddy, no.
Don't touch me.
I said leave her, Daddy. Leave her.
Get up. I said get up.
Okay, where is he now? Do you know?
She didn't come out from the house. That person beat her very badly. She is suffering a lot. Hi bro, I'm leaving. I am planning to go to Dubai and I don't want to come again here. I know you know the reason, right? Together all cheated me nicely.
Swapna? Swapna? Your father pet you, right? Have this. Not for free. I'll get the money later.
Oh my god, my dad is coming. You get inside.
Okay, brother. I'll leave now.
All right, leave.
तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः.
My God. When I look at her through the window, she has nice features. It must be my fate that I can see her always only through the window.
Who's that man?
Wife? No, advocate.
Don't you know he's Stella's husband? He's not good guy.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's your husband, right?
Yeah, he was husband. Now we will decide whether he has to be as husband or not.
Oh. So, is it a mistake to come and see my own
Look
wife?
here, this is my house.
Mhm.
Here ladies are dancing. Why are you coming here? We all have husbands. Even till now, they also haven't come this side.
You must be having a couple of husbands, but all of them have only one husband.
Look, don't play here. Just get out of here.
If she is my wife, I'm going to definitely take her from here and
I
we'll
have
go.
told you 100 times that I'm not going to come with you. Please don't disturb our practice, sir.
No, teacher. I have respect for you, teacher. So I'm leaving now. Teacher, one second. To learn the whole of Bharatanatyam, what will be the expense?
You cannot learn dance in one day. Hey, but what's the matter?
If you have some time, even I want to learn Bharatanatyam. I want to compete with her and win one day.
Sister.
Don't mind all this.
There is no hurry, but we can learn leisurely. If you support me, I think I'll get her back one day.
Our Residents Association is not only an association but also a family. Many misunderstandings happen in a family. Our respected ex-president Mr. Chaco sir haven't come yet. And the reason behind that is, we all obviously know that. Jealous.
Please listen to what we have to say.
Mr. Panika, please stay calm for a while. For the 11th anniversary of our association, the program will commence with the Kaushal Sir's family's cultural event, and that is what everyone expects too. This performance, and especially our Malavika sisters' dance, will create a very big entertainment among the every youths, and no doubt in that.
Instead of the cultural programs, we should plan to visit some nature's beautiful place along with all the members of our family. That is our opinion.
Well, I like your idea, sir, but I really have to think about your proposal. To be honest, I have no problems in conducting it.
Yeah, exactly.
Make the arrangements quickly,
Yes,
and I'll
yes.
give the approval.
He's right. How did you decide about this entertainment program without asking us?
Can't you understand the situation?
1 second. Please don't stop all this dancing and all. I request you people.
And what about the expenditures for that?
I'll give it.
yeah.
And also, I'll give 50% of the money for the nature tour.
Empty gas cylinders too. Hey, what are you saying? We have one big cylinder and one small cylinder.
You are right. This man didn't look at it properly. One big cylinder.
Oh yeah, that was what I was expecting. 12 beer bottles? What happened to those people? Only 12 beer bottles? Oh my god.
Is this Mr. Joseph's shop?
Yeah, this is the shop.
Is he there?
He's inside.
Where is your owner?
What gossip is going on there? Huh? If you have waste products, you would have just called me, na? I would have come there and taken that.
Are you the owner of this shop?
I am not the owner or corner in the world. I am the only director of the shop.
Actually, I'm the labor officer.
Ah.
Vimala Menon.
Oh.
I got one complaint against you.
What complaint?
You're keeping the child as a child laborist. That's the complaint.
Oh.
But now I've seen everything lively.
Oh.
What's your name?
Rautar. My full name is MSP Mustafa Rautar.
Don't you know child labor is against the law?
I don't follow or encourage any child labor here. If this is a complaint that you have heard, just listen. That is my elder son Abu Bakr. This is my second son Usman. Yeah. And third one is Rashid. Fourth one Goya. And the last one is my daughter. She is Rashida. Their summer holidays is going on. As they are torturing my wife when they are at home, I just brought them here. Here they have many things to play, right?
He's trying to give wrong information to you, madam.
Is he talking truth? Is he your father?
We call him daddy and every people in this area call him boss. And our mom calls him as his husband.
And all my father's nephews call him as uncle.
And my mom is also still alive, who is nothing but their grandma. She calls me as Mustafa. If she gets angry, she will call me as idiot. And people call me many names. But actually my exact name is Mustafa Rao. If you want to know any other information, come. Let's sit in an office and talk.
Even their own kids don't get the work from them. Got it?
What job they have here, huh? You know one thing? Even my father had the same business. I didn't go to any school, but I sat with my father itself. Because of that, what happened? We reached this man height. So you don't worry,
Okay,
ma'am. Please, you can
let's
leave.
go.
Excuse me. Which bloody fool filed a complaint on
Oh,
me?
the name. He is PC Chakochan, ex-president of Malayalakara Residency Association.
Oh. So he is the guy. I will catch him.
Malvika and Gauri don't want you to enter the house.
Don't worry about them. I'll take care of them. Before that, we have to set Chaco right.
And even my father also.
My dear brother, your family is my family. But when I saw Gauri dance that day, all my anger flew away into thin air.
Okay, everything is fine. How did you see their practice session?
If you both are not bothered, I am always bothered about my wife and brother's wife.
With whose permission he got inside the house?
Malvika, he'll be a great support to fight against Chaco.
Everything will be spoiled.
Oh.
How many times have I told you that I cannot live with this man anymore?
Yeah. Whatever you're saying is right. But you haven't given valid reasons for it. Come on, you have to give us reasons.
He told me he was a lawyer when he married me. It's been 1 year since our marriage got over.
In this 1 year, he's never been to the court even once. He's not even got one case.
Hey, don't tell that. Since he don't have any case, it doesn't mean he's a lawyer.
Yeah.
See how many lawyers are there without any
What?
cases?
How?
Huh, it's true.
Brother, this advocate's job is a very risky job, right?
Leave that. At the least, he can keep a board as an advocate in front of our home, no?
Brother, listen. If I keep a board outside, all these clients will come inside.
That's why we've kept a board.
Brother, if I go to court, then I will have to fight the case, right?
Without arguing, how you will win the case, huh?
If you only win a single case, will you get more clients?
You came behind me telling me that you completed your LLB. Isn't that how I married you?
LLB. I saw people loving each other by saying I love you, and not by any degree.
Hey, you shut up.
Sister, don't get angry with him now. Listen to me. My father paid a lot of money and only then sent me to Allahabad for LLB. After sitting for 2-3 days in the class, I got bored of it. Then the money that used to come from home, I used to spend it and enjoy my life. And just to show my father, I got a duplicate certificate and came back here. If I want, I can use that duplicate certificate and do whatever I want here. But am I doing all that? No, that's because of my conscience.
So on the fact, you are not a degree holder.
Correct.
Oh my
Sister.
god, really pathetic.
Well done. I like your decision. You're a great man. Cool down, my boy. Cool down.
Oh no! What happened? What happened to you?
He's
What
taken that
happened?
pickle and he put it in my eyes.
Are you okay? Come with me. Come with me. Are you okay? What?
He's a person whom you told he'll become a Supreme Court judge. Huh. It's okay, brother. Just chill it. Their problems got solved with the use of small pickles. And even if any disputes between India and Pakistan happens also, these problems can be solved with the help of small solutions.
Don't you dare talk about politics. Drink and leave this place.
Oh my god.
Oh, Dad, she's a child labor officer. What happened, madam?
The car is not starting.
Oh, starting trouble. It's an old model, right? Just give me the key.
If you're gonna put in this, we will take that.
Stop your nonsense. I think battery is out. Children, come here first and push.
Okay,
Just press the
Dad.
clutch over there, huh?
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Thank you so much.
Where are you staying?
I stay over here in E3.
Oh, that is my house actually.
Is it?
Yeah, we have few real estate business. I handed over to my brother-in-law. They will take care of it. And what they did now is not called as child labor. If you're not developing our children to live independently, then that is the biggest mistake we are doing. Okay, ma'am, don't waste your time. You can leave, huh?
There are times when I feel really low and lonely. When I drink, I tend to forget all my problems. I feel very calm.
Doctor, can you tell the exact position of my brother now?
As there is no fracture, nothing to worry. So it's just a muscle cramp. Apply this ointment 3 times a day.
Okay, doctor.
Next week, we've organized a tour, doctor. I'm worried it might get cancelled.
Hey, nothing to worry. After 4 days, you can play even football. Then why not 2?
Already he's got some unnecessary health problems. I request you, doctor, not to increase it anymore, please.
You may leave
Yeah,
now.
come, let's go. Hey, careful. Hey, careful. I have a small doubt on that Chakochi's friend. He tried to hurt you.
Well, we discussed about the tour in the association. I think he's angry.
Now you understand it was just a plan, right?
That Chakochan, I will not leave him anymore.
Hey, you bloody Chaco. If you lost in the association election, that is because you are not capable. For that, you should not send gundas and try to kill me. That's not being a man. If you have guts, get out and come here, man. You good for nothing guy. You try to affect me, I will never let you be happy. If I am drinking the scotch my brother gives me, I will rip your intestines out. Get out of the house, man.
Listen, my husband is not at home. Don't do anything rubbish, okay?
I know he's not here, that's why I came. He won't be here. But when he comes back, just tell him. If he wants to play, ask him to play with men straight face to face.
Why are you talking all this to me? It's very useless.
There is a reason behind all that.
See there, he come.
Sister, I'll come tomorrow. If I go late, my wife will get angry, okay?
Our guy told that you have 8 fractures below your knee.
Which dog spoke like that?
That Chaco-chan. I think you have made a very big mistake by taking all the responsibility of that program.
Some things cannot be stopped.
This is not about the fate. Someone cunningly planned this incident.
If Chaco-chan is in this association, means we are not interested to join in this.
Right. I should have tried to react in myself with them. But what to do? He's a friend and neighbor too.
How a backstabbing people can be a friend, sir? He should be pushed into the jail and get screwed nicely. Then only I can have a good performance over here.
Already a dancer is hurt here. Now you don't start dancing, okay?
Brothers, yesterday I gave a nice dose to Chaco.
Shit! You shouldn't have gone to his place and created issues. The ball was in our court. You messed up everything.
I couldn't do anything to him, brother. He's in hiding.
Then how did you get revenge from that guy?
I went into his house and started shouting at his wife.
Oh my god, really pathetic.
Oh my god, your tongue is enough to kill 2 people.
Sister.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Aha, why have you come here?
Let me be very clear. I am not going to let Chaco and his son stand in this
Hey,
house.
what you're
Please
saying-
listen to what I also
What is it? Whatever. We didn't expect that your father will do like this.
This was not done by my father. The one who hit Kaushal sir was me.
Chaco-chan was the one who told me to accompany his son here. He told him to apologize, Kaushal sir.
The thing which you have done now, no? It's really cruel. To be this much cruel, what mistake did he do to you?
If I see you following this girl again, that'll be the end of it, son. Hereafter, if you follow her, I swear, I'll thrash you badly.
So you're the one who hurt my brother?
Leave him. He's a young man. He made a mistake. In another 2 days, my leg will heal completely. After that, we'll start the preparations for the tour immediately. Vasanti, you're on time. 10:30 sharp on the clock.
Yeah. Why did you want to meet me?
I'll tell you. Do you have your computer classes today?
No, I have no computer class today. Full free.
I already know that. That's why I called you here. I know that you're in love with Tommy. But you don't want to express your love to him.
Uncle, Dad.
It would be foolish if you told your father about this. I believe that you both can be very happy. I know that it might create problems for you. Please tell me frankly, are you angry about something that he did? If you don't like Tommy, you can tell me. I won't force you. I have nothing to tell you. Please forget her, Tommy.
How can I simply hate him, Uncle? Tommy has always loved me. He has never done me any wrong.
I'm so happy to hear that. I want both of you to come to the tour and have a great time.
Come on,
Yeah,
maintain
yeah,
the
get
line.
into the bus.
Get
Yeah,
inside.
fast. Come on.
Give me some way. Give me some way.
You're really late, sir. I told you to come a bit early.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kaushal. Yesterday I had been as a judge for a wrestling competition and I reached home very late. And morning I got up also late. I don't think we can arrange a seat for Mr. Palikar.
Life is all about adjusting.
Sir, he can't adjust in one seat. We have to take money for 2 seats.
Hey, don't worry. Get in next to me. Come on. Get inside. Come on. Green salwar kameez, green bus. Nice. What are you doing? Come on, get inside.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Why are you standing there? Get inside. Come on, hurry up.
Uncle, my father's admitted in the hospital. It's a heart attack. Nothing to worry. My mother's there with him. They even agreed to my tour. But I don't know why. I feel it's not right, Uncle.
It's okay, sir. It's better that she doesn't come at this situation.
Okay. You get inside the bus. Come on.
Sorry, sir. If Vasanthi is not coming, even I'm not coming.
Come on, get inside the bus.
Yeah, he has to come now.
He'll come. Get inside.
Hey, stop the bus. Hey, stop the bus. What's happening here? Hey, you come out, I say. Come out.
What is going on there?
Everyone, come out.
Come on, man. What's the problem?
Without knowing what's happening here, you're going for a tour, huh?
I'm sorry. We are on a tour, sir. There are children and women in the bus. Please let us go.
Don't you know today's a strike? Strike?
A strike?
But there wasn't any news.
Soon
it will come.
Without informing the ruling party, they are planning a hartal?
Yeah, you deserve it.
Mr. Chaco, please don't raise your voice. In that case, we won't go. Can we return back to our place?
You can't move a single step from here.
What did you tell your name was?
Totikuri Kuttappai.
I'm sure you're a good for nothing. It's written on your face clearly.
Hey, you! Hey, please,
stop,
take your hands off. Hey, stop! What did you think of us, huh?
Come out!
If you just get out of what?
Guys.
Come out! I'm going to burn you.
Come out!
Just fire the bus,
Don't get panicked. Sit. Let me go.
No,
Come on, pour it!
please.
Pour it! We should burn them alive. Come on, pour it!
No one should get down.
Please.
Hey,
no, please
pour
don't
it,
do
pour
this.
it, man. Come on, guys, come on.
Please don't do this. Please, the house again. Please don't do this.
No, please.
Don't do
We have captured the hell from the 3 worlds and waiting for the heaven also.
Master? Which means we are going to win this time. Am I right, Master?
Yes, give respect, take respect, so that no one will tell that devils are faithful. What's happening?
Don't become afraid, Master. Actually, one person from our group tried to test a granite. That's it.
Oh, why are you wasting it simply?
Oh, Master, we had brought it from our US President Bush. You know, he was dead against when he was trying to give that to us. Hence, we are very particular about the quality test now.
Good. I appreciate you.
Master?
Yeah, tell me. He isn't here. Where is he? People used to say he's everywhere in the pillar, water, land, river. Where is
He
he?
should be hiding somewhere.
Oh, wherever he goes and hide, I will catch him up. Why this place is filled with darkness? If it was in the world, we could have said it was a power cut. Hey boy, check him everywhere. Huh? I am monitoring you. Oh my god, what a surprise. Welcome, welcome, a warm welcome to you. Devil, hope you're doing good. Don't pamper too much, huh? I didn't come here to listen your pampers and softening talk.
Yeah.
Then, but to grab the power. Without delaying, I want to crown the power in my head. What? Ha! Hell is in our hands, and in world also there are many devils like us, and only one place pending is your heaven, so that everywhere devils will be there, and all world is under my custody. Devil, I think you have lost your mind. In the world and the humanity of the people, I still believe in all of them. That was in later years. If I prove the humanity of the people, me, the king of devils, will be the God's slave. But Mr. God, if you lose my future, you can decide. Oh, grabbing the empowerment is very simple.
When I get a chance to rule the government, I will play accordingly.
Why to play lightly? You can play many games you want. By the way, oh my dear Lord, do you know what are the things happening in the world?
How will he know? You have tied both his eyes. Am I right, master? Eh?
Sorry. You were unable to see, right? Oh, now just see this. G boom ba. God doesn't know completely about our devils. Mr. Devil! In this old age, you need not shout and increase your BP, huh? This is very cruel. Oh, really? Have you noticed the last scene? That bus isn't a normal bus. It's a Kerala beautiful place, a small miniature clip.
What place is this?
This is heaven.
Oh my god, I don't believe this.
Why are you staring and standing here? Get inside.
You're blocking our way. We can't go in. Oh. Hey, Chakocho.
Huh?
Heaven and hell are real. I really didn't know that.
We are in heaven now. Don't try and make it a hell for God's sake.
Oh, what the hell is this?
I don't see the Lord.
Hey, wait.
Who's he?
The other guy didn't come aboard.
Who are you talking about?
The great Lord.
Huh?
Oh my god. Come on, pray him.
You are right, it's God.
All kindly be seated. This isn't our God, right? Sharangadara.
Tell me, Lord.
Did you announce the final decision?
No, we were waiting for you.
That's what he's here now, right? Just announce.
This is the place to decide whether you go to heaven or to hell. All the decisions are made here.
Oh, this is the real checkpost, huh? There is no discount in beating though I'm in
just
heaven.
keep your mouth shut. I want all of you all to pay attention. For the next 1 month, all of you will be spending time here. I hope I'm clear. Do you know why? You'll be under the observation of the devil and the Lord. That is the reason we brought all of you to this place here. Do you have any questions?
To play for your tunes, there are a lot of people here, right?
Times have changed. It's become very difficult to decide who should be sent to heaven or to hell.
truth and humanity is still it's there in between Malayalis. And that is why we are testing you.
What do you want us to do?
In Vishwa Manava Charitra, this is the first time we are giving a chance for a human beings to live here. And you all are very much fortunate.
Each one of you will be instructed what to do time to time. Till then, you can enjoy here. You'll get everything you want, just like Earth.
Bro, then what about
Oh,
the
will you shut up now? Please select a representative for your group now.
Oh, we should decide from ourselves. Police is okay, then I'm there.
I think that will be Kaushal, sir.
Okay. This is terrible. Though all are here, what about the god's daughter?
Here, this is the new generation eye contact. Yeah.
Don't do. Don't try to play football here. There is one more person to introduce to you. Smart, handsome, intelligent, but also the multi-talented personality. The goosebumps of heaven's woman. My son Double Duppy.
And if you don't mind, can we see him, please?
When he will be coming? We are eagerly waiting to see him.
Me too.
He went to Kochi regarding some contract. The meeting is dispersed now. Why this much urgent, And above all, you're my future brother-in-law, right?
Who, God?
Yeah, your god's daughter Devika is my son's fiancée. Sit there. A youth named Trilog in this place is trying to flirt with Devika, and that too I saw with my eyes. That is the reason I have reminded everyone about my son.
How can you say something like that?
Stop this fight. We'll discuss it later. Kaushal?
Yes, God.
Come with me.
Okay.
Finally, I am telling you one thing. If you wish to go to heaven, then you'll go to hell. If you wish to go to hell, then you go to heaven. Brum brum bravo. Stupidity. Nowadays you have started playing with my family. In that meeting, you ashamed my daughter. Simply some rumors. It's not a simple rumor. It's a very real fact.
I don't get it.
The naked truth.
Oh, the naked truth.
Yeah. Head, in what a proud manner you introduce your son to that people. Mr. God, remember one thing. All children are equal to gold to their parents.
Oh, Lord. We had a complete different picture about this place. I never expected it to be like this.
In this place like these creature, all these situations are common. I am a creature, and if my son come in front of you with a marriage proposal, I will definitely present him with a death. Whoa, too much. The things which and all you're telling now is really making me annoyed, and I will show this to you. Whatever you talk, there is no use of it. Oh my God, the word you have told before to Kadari, now you're telling to me, Come on, Kaushal. Kaushal. You perform your duties properly so that the final victory will be yours. Kaushal! This is my own palace. Mr. Kaushal, welcome to the palace of the devils. After divorcing my very first wife, I have got all these beautiful ladies. This is Anjita, this is Ranjita, this is Manjima, Punjiri, and this is Manjita. As I am having 5 wives, you can call me Panjalan also.
Wow, they all look so beautiful. I really envy you.
Servant.
Good morning, master.
Good morning. Stanu, he is our guest today. So kindly arrange for the different varieties of special food.
As you say.
Hey.
We have received a mail that someone is waiting to see you outside.
Stanu, you get out and make him get in.
As you say, master. Don't open that pot unnecessarily.
I must say, you have a heart of gold. I won't deny that.
Oh, thank you. Boss. Hello, Mr. Kalan. How are you? What's happening?
With your blessings, everything is going well.
Where is your PA, Chitragupta?
You have spelled it wrong. Actually, it's Chitraguptan.
Oh, yeah, I meant that only.
That he has went to wash my vehicle. Vehicle?
Yeah, Buffalo is his vehicle, right? So to make him clean and all those stuffs, he went there.
I have a present for you, which I have brought from Kerala.
Hand over it.
I present this to you on behalf of Excise Minister from Kerala.
Mr. Kalan, for all these love that you're showing to me, what can I
Oh
give you
my
in
boss,
return?
I want only your love.
Yuck! What is this?
Liquor. It's a pure liquor.
You mean more than original?
Yes, boss. It is very much pure. You can't get it everywhere.
Oh, wow. I can't believe this. Alcohol?
My dear servant, kindly bring 2 glasses.
Oh.
Cheers!